The union representing support staff and technical workers at Brattleboro Memorial Hospital have ratified their first union contract.
This comes after more than a year of negotiations between Brattleboro Healthcare United and the hospital. Last month, the union had voted to authorize a strike. The union says the agreement was reached after an all-day bargaining session on May 4th and was then ratified by members earlier this week.
NBC5's Lindsay Jones joins us live in our Rutland Bureau now with more details on this contract. Lindsay.
Well, Lauren, Jack, after voting to form a union last spring, Brattleboro Memorial Hospital staff say they have approved their first union contract, guaranteeing technical workers higher pay, more benefits, and safety protections. Union negotiators and management agreed on contract terms on May 4th, and the agreement was ratified by union members earlier this week. They say it has taken a lot of work to get to this point.
There's a lot of organizing. You go around and you talk to people about what they'd like to see different, what they think is good, what they, where they're at in terms of like what's important to them, pay, benefits, hours.
The workers will now see pay increases based on their experience and on a new wage scale. According to a union representative, the deal has raised workers' minimum wage to $18 an hour, and that number will increase to $19 an hour in October.
Our wages had not kept up with the local cost of living, and I think this is going to do a lot to rectify that.
The contract will also provide staff with new health and safety protections. John Gibbs, an orthopedic medical assistant in the union's bargaining team, says a committee made up of both staff and management will be formed with the purpose of updating safety policies.
When they aren't on the hospital floor every single day, they may not have the understanding that someone who is on the floor every single day about what needs to be addressed in terms of safety.
In a statement from one of the hospital's acting co-CEOs, they say the agreement recognizes the hard work and dedication of the employees, while also reflecting the realities facing healthcare organizations across the country. Union members are also feeling positive about the agreement.
I'm very excited. This was a lot of work. Our bargaining team, among others, we met just about weekly. Like this was several hours every week.
Their work isn't finished yet. While Gibbs is hopeful, he says it's now time to make sure these improvements are both implemented and enforced. Live in the Rutland Newsroom, Lindsay Jones, NBC5 News.